through the gate.
Bye. Even did Mommy?
That's not good.
That's okay. I can do it.
I know you can do it. Well, that's not good, hon.
I know.
What's the point of having a gate if they both figured out how to get through it? That's not good.
That's not good. I just learned this 10 seconds ago. That's the first time I've seen Eamon do it. The snake was on the other side of it, so he just went right through. I was like,
Eamon. Hi.
Hey!
Can you show me your dance moves? Shake your bum. Hey, Eamon. What's a lion say? Eamon, what's a lion say? What's a rooster say? What does a kitty cat say?
Meow.
What does a doggy say?
Ruff, ruff, ruff.
What does a snake say? What does a turkey say?
Go, go, go.
What does a chicken say?
Papa.
What does a cow say? What does a sheep say?
Mom, there's poop in my underwear.
Okay.